Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone shows headphone audio level warning after the updating of iOS. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Solution number 1. Turn off headphone notification and reduce loud sounds. To turn off, first we have to go to settings. Now find and tap on sounds. Under sounds, we have to tap on headphone safety. Under headphone safety, turn off headphone notification and also turn off reduce loud sounds. Solution number 2. Turn off and turn on your iPhone. For that, first launch settings, then tap general, scroll down and tap shutdown. Now drag the slider to power off. Wait for couple of minutes and turn on your iPhone. Solution number 3. Check the latest version of iOS. To check that, first we have to go to settings. Under settings, tap on Wi-Fi and connect to Wi-Fi and make sure that you have a stable and strong Wi-Fi connection. Then tap general and tap software update and update your iPhone if update is available. Solution number 4. Force restart your iPhone. To force restart iPhone, press home button and the power button at the same time until Apple logo appears, and also depend on your iPhone model to force restart. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.